So journals, invoice, voucher, so here the customer account data to, look at this one, customer account data to revenue account credit, customer account data to revenue account credit, customer account data to revenue account credit, and one more entry will be posted, COG account data to inventory issue. Because this is, suppose you are selling laptop, suppose take the example keyboard. A keyboard is 400 rupees and you are going to get a revenue of 400 rupees. But this cost of the material is 250 rupees only. Your cost is 250. So your inventory will be decreased from your inventory warehouse. From your warehouse, inventory is decreasing 250. This is decreasing. And now this 400 is a revenue and cost of goods is 250. The difference between these two is a profit. This is, I'm going to receive money. This is sales value. This is cost value. Cost of goods means cost value. The difference between sales value and cost value is a profit. Profit is equal to always sales value minus cost value is a profit. That is the reason 4 transactions will be posted. If it is a small ERPs like Tally, this will not be there. Small ERPs. Nowadays, it may be in long back, 15 years back when I learned from Tally, I understood. So that will not be, this is the only one transaction. Understood? Any confusion?
Sir, cost of goods has to be linked to sales item?
It is this postings, where it is means I will show you later. It is posting. We can use it can be mapped at item group level. It can be mapped at posting, or it can be mapped at item level. Your wish, how you want. Usually it will be posting.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Any more questions, team?
Hi, Satya.
Yeah.
Yes. So the first question that I have is like there is a vendor portal also, like you told us, like the vendor can send like we can send purchase order and he can send it's like there is a vendor portal if we want to give. So is there any customer portal also like the same way, like to send the sales order to us?
So actually, like vendor portal means here vendor is confirming our delivery. We are going to get the confirmation from the vendor, like whether in time they are dispatching material or not. So they are confirming through vendor portal. Now for the customer means customer will share information to us. Understood? See, in this case here these people are confirming. Am I right?
Yeah.
Whether we are receiving. In the same manner, this company will give the link, their link to us. Then it is another application. It is not our application. Their application we will access.
Okay.
And we are going to confirm. Got it?
Okay, and it can be any ERP. If there is other ERP, will be like the company will be using that.
Yeah. So this is actually this company. We are giving this company access to this company, right? Then they are confirming. In the same manner, if these people are using their environment, if they share their environment, then we can access and we can do a confirmation.
Got it.
Make sense?
Yeah. And regarding the sales order confirmation, like you said, like it's optional in case of sales order, and it is used for if we want to verify our credit limit. Okay.
Yeah.
And yes, I know like we are not touching that thing, but what if the credit limit thing that thing is mandatory within the system, and with that given,
Yeah,
does
at
it
the
basically?
time of packing slip, it will stop. If you are not touching this one, if you are not touching this one, at the time of packing slip, it will stop if it is credit limit is there. Got it?
No.
The credit limit. Yeah, tell me your question. Yeah.
No, this thing, can you repeat? Like, if the credit limit is mandatory, so does the sales order confirmation comes? Yeah.
Actually, credit limit is not. Actually, credit limit will be verified here, and credit limit will be verified here also.
Okay.
This is a future topic you are going to learn. So if you are skipping this one, it will stop here.
Okay, got it.
Okay. Anyhow, it will be executed. It will stop. This topic you are going to learn later. Okay.
Got it. And my third question is like, for example, like in terms of that purchase order, when we are receiving the material, there is a product receipt number that we put. Without that, we cannot post receiving, right? And in here, if we're delivering, like you were telling about delivery challan or delivery note, do we mention anything on the packing slip so that it can be reference number for the customer?
Yeah, this will actually this is continuous number. Okay, it will be generated. So if you go to this one, let me go to. So this is automatic continuous number. Let me show you. So this is vendor invoice number. Number is generated. Okay. Sorry, customer invoice number. This is a customer invoice number. Okay. We have generated invoice number. This is invoice number. Simple. For packing slip also, there is a packing slip number. It is continuous.
Okay.
It will be generated continuous.
Okay.
This is the number. Okay. This number is for customer. This is the product receipt number. Got it?
Okay.
Because they will receive the document, and because if you are dispatching material, I'm dispatching one material to this customer, I'm dispatching material to this customer, I'm dispatching material to this customer. I can keep one number, one sequence number, one to this one, and like 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004. I can send. Am I right?
Yeah.
Now, from the vendor, whenever we are receiving, this vendor is telling like PR009. This vendor is telling like XAB001. And this vendor is sending material and it is BCD001. So is it the same number, continuous number?
No, it is not.
That is the reason we are entering manually in the purchase order process.
Good.
Whereas sales order process, we are generating document and we are giving to these customers.
Oh, got it. Got it.
So it is in the sales process, it is continuous number. Whereas purchase process also, it will be number will be there. Our internal number also there. Well, whenever we are doing product receipt, our internal number also will be there, and this external number also will be there. I will show you that one once again. I'll show you. Okay.
Yeah.
So any doubt in this one? Process, sales order process, team? Anyone has any challenges to understand this one? Okay, I hope it is clear. Now let us understand purchase order process once again. The purchase order process. So first one is purchase order creation. Purchase order creation. Here, purchase order creation means we are giving information to the vendor. We are giving information to the vendor. Our company is giving information to the vendor like, please send me so and so material. Item A, suppose item 1000, I want 20 items. Item B, 15 items. item C, 35 items, item D, 5 items. Like that, the list you are giving information to this vendor. So in practical, it may not be only one. Just example purpose, I'm showing you one. But in real-time scenario, it is not only one. It may be 5 items, it may be 10 items, it may be 20 items. So let me go to procurement and sourcing module. Purchase orders, all purchase orders. So purchase department, they are raising the request. So they are giving information to vendor. Whatever they are giving information to the vendor, that information they are entering in the system. Let me show you. Give me a minute. So click on new. So to which vendor you are going to ask or you are going to request, which vendor you are going to request, that vendor you need to select from the drop down. Okay, selecting the site and warehouse. This is our warehouse. So item 1001, suppose 1000. I want 20 quantity. Next item, another item. The list of items, whatever we want, our company want, that information will enter here. Another item, 15 quantity. And another item. In real-time scenario, it is not a single item. It may be multiple items. D001, something. There is 10 items. Like this, you are entering. And we will send this information to my vendor. Go to purchase tab. So every time I'm using this small button, actions button, confirm. But I'm using now generate area page confirmation. Confirmation. So now it is taking a printout. I can take a printout. Click OK. So it will take 1 or 2 minutes time. Please bear with me to take a printout. So it will take 1 or 2 minutes time. Please bear with me. Okay. Now it is generating the print format. First time it will take some time to print out, to take a printout. Second time onwards, it will be faster. It will be very faster, quicker. Like in the vendor payment, while doing vendor payment, check payment, at that time, check payment also it is taking some time, am I right? The first time I shown you like it is taking some time. Second time is very quicker. In the same manner, purchase order confirmation also. For any report you are generating, first time it will take much time. It may take 1 minute, 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes. But second time onwards, it will be 10 seconds, 5 seconds. Because our laptop is 16 GB RAM. If it is 128 GB RAM servers, it will be seconds only. It will not take this much time. Let it be generated. Please wait. Now it is generated. Look at this one, the print format. So you will take this printout and you can send to the vendor through email, through WhatsApp, through whatever the way you want. You can. Earlier in olden days, it may be like a printout, fax. If it is very urgent, you can send a fax. In olden days, I mean to say 20-25 years back. Nowadays, there are so many formats we have. We can send this format to the vendor. So, yeah. Yes,
Here
please.
customer, customer address and customer company name and vendor address, those in.
Don't mix it customer and vendor. We are doing this one. So we are sending material to information to this vendor. So why it is not, why it is customer? Vendor, am I right?
Okay, okay.
So we are giving information to this company. So let me generate once again the invoice, confirmation once again. Suppose I'm entering once again some modification. If you do any corrections, any modifications, it will go back to approved status.
Okay.
You need to do once again confirmation. Just give me a second. If you do any changes, it will go back to approved status. It will go back. Now I'm doing once again confirmation. Just I want to show you second time if I'm generating, it will be very quicker when compared with the first time. So I'm generating once again print. Now it will be, earlier it is almost, it was taken almost 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. Now it will be faster. I mean to say, first time X++ SSRS reports, the connections between the two technologies is going to be established. So it is first time it will take some time. Second time it will be faster. So in this we have, this is our company address, and this is vendor details.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, okay. So one is vendor address, and so if you, this one is, usually it is not a standard, like you need to do a customization as per the client requirement. Because you are sending this document to your vendor, I want beautification a lot. Okay, this print format, purchase order print format, usually we'll do customization. So what is this customization and everything we'll discuss later. I will give you high level picture how it is. Okay, this document you are going to dispatch, or you are going to give information to your vendor through courier, through olden days it is